one of the figures in each row does not belong with the others. Circle the letter below the figure that is the odd one out. For example, in this row, E is the odd one out. Question 42. You can see in all 5 illustrations here we have different symbols placed in a row, one after the other. The rows are all straight and the symbols within each option are identical. So A uses this symbol, B uses this symbol, and so on. Because the nature of the symbol changes in every option, it must be something to do with the number of symbols. So we'll count each one to see if this makes one of them be the odd one out. In A, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of the symbols, so the symbol is repeated 9 times altogether. In B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 symbols, so once again the symbol is repeated 9 times. In C, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 symbols, so the symbol is repeated 9 times. In D we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 symbols. There are only 8 symbols in option D. In E we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 symbols altogether, and there are 9 here. This means option D is the odd one out. You can see that in all other cases there are 9 symbols repeated, but in D there are only 8.